Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi 9T, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And before we get started, you will need the SIM eject tool, like this one. It comes provided with a device in the box, so you can get it from there, or you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, as you can see right over here. So push the pin in and the tray will pop out. Once you take it out, you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. I'm going to occupy one of each. So there's the SD card and here is the SIM card. There we go. And from there, when they're laying flush on the tray, you want to insert it back into the device. And there is the pin for the SIM card, so I'm gonna confirm that. So SIM card is obviously working, and SD card is working as well, as you can see. Oops. Which you can see right over here. So that is how we would insert both SIM and SD card, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.